In the previous session, we saw creating a Kinesis stream. And when we ran the Terraform code, we created this Kinesis demo stream. However, I didn't show you how to destroy it, but I've destroyed the stream, right? And make sure you also do that before you proceed further. The next that we are going to see is how we create an SNS, right? Notification service on AWS. Though it's very easy to create an SNS, but it's a wider topic to discuss. However, I'll try to explain you it in a very brief manner. So you need two things for SNS. One is a topic and other is a subscription. What is a topic? It's basically just a name, a logical, you can say a logical name, where you will, or an access point, you can say, that is used for communicating between, as a channel of communication between two endpoints, right? And what these endpoints could be, it could be multiple endpoints, like you can create your own HTTPS website where you want to have these alerts and notifications coming from SNS topic, right? Or to an email address of your some personal or group email address which you want to send out to business or customers. So that is what the topic does. And within each topic, you can create multiple topics with multiple endpoints. And these endpoints are nothing like a Lambda function, or you can also have a queue service, messaging queue service. So SNS in brief is nothing but a pub sub model, that is publish and subscribe model, that is built by AWS. Now, to do that, I'll show you just quickly to give you a quick understanding on what SNS, how it looks like on AWS is. When I go to this simple notification service, that's what SNS means. So you see, I have to create topics and I have to create subscriptions. Now under topics, it's very easy over here. I can come here and I create topics. I can choose whether I want standard or I want a first in, first out service. Now, standard and first out service, it provides the same kind of reliability and consistency in processing the message across, services. But however, just first in, first out is basically used, if you want, if you require that a message that is to be sent and processed should be in a very strict sequence and without any duplication. Like for example, in a banking system or an ordering system on inventory management, stock tickers. So in that case, you can use this FIFO service. Otherwise, standard service and FIFO service does the same thing. The only difference with standard will just push everything and anything that comes into the queue. You give the topic name, the optional display name, encryption, access policy, protection. We are not going to use this. We are just going to use the tags as an option. That's it. And then once we do that, we'll create a subscription. Now, subscription is nothing but an endpoint. Like I said, endpoint will create an email ID. I'll use my same email ID over here. Okay. Now, so these two things, how we are going to do in through Terraform. That's what we are going to see. So let's start. I'll create a separate file. I can do this in one file. I'm just creating separate TF file for your easy reference so that you can watch this video and understand. If you want to do it yourself, you'll be able to do it very easily. Okay. So sns.tf, and here we'll write. So the resource name that we have to, of course, say is AWS underscore SNS. So by far now you will be able to understand, you will be able to, I think you are able to know what exactly this SNS resource, what these AWS resources mean and how you can figure out, right? I'll just give some names. So this I'm creating a topic, okay? And name that I'll give to this topic is SNS demo topic. And the display name, you remember I showed you the display name over there. Display name also I'll just give SNS demo topic. You can keep it different or you can keep it same, doesn't matter really. Tags, tag is just an identification name I'll give. Name, I'll SNS demo topic. Alert thing. I'll just keep something different this time, that's all. And then what we have to do is two things. I have to create a subscription. So the next resource that I'm going to create is a AWS underscore SNS underscore. So now I think you can understand. This is what we want. Topic subscription. And the name of that I'll give is SNS topic subscription. You need to remember the identifier. You have to use the right identifiers. So the topic ARN will be, so it will create an ARN name, and that ARN is what we need to use for this subscription. So dot ARN is what we are going to use. Protocol, what protocol? This is nothing but an endpoint. So we are going to use email as our endpoint protocol. And what is the endpoint that we are going to use? This is the actual endpoint name that I'll mention, and this is the email ID. You can use your email ID or any email ID you want to for that matter. This is just for example demo purpose. But that's all we need to do for creating an SNS topic. Now, of course, do not forget the output file. What we have to do for output, just the ARN, that's it. So output, we'll say SNS ARN description, SNS alerting topics, and the value, the AWS underscore SNS topic dot ARN, and we are done. Okay, nothing else is required to be changed. So now we'll go to our AWS command prompt, sorry, and I'll run plan. We don't have to initialize every time, right? Because I'm using this same plugins. You see now we have Kinesis and we also have ARN. Now the moment I run apply, yes. Now I'll have to do one thing. I'll have to go to my email and there I'll have to confirm the subscription. See, while it runs, it's creating the stream, it's still not reached the SNS part. The moment it does that, I'll get an email over here. Okay. Okay, I'm in my email. Why did I not get the email? Okay, it's in my spam. That's fine. Report is not spam. I'll go to my inbox and I'll just confirm the subscription. That's it. Done. Now we'll go back over here and we'll check. So we have EC2 instance created. You see it's back running again. Okay. Then we have our Kinesis stream created. You see we have one stream. And then we have our SNS created. So you'll see we have a topic name, SNS demo topic. You remember this is the name I gave. Okay, SNS demo topic. And within the topic, you can see there's a subscription over here. Right? This is the endpoint that is created. Okay. You can also go to subscription and that's the same thing that you'll see over here. Okay. This is the one that I created just now. Okay. That's it. And I'll again go back and destroy this. That's it on the SNS part. So the next that we are going to see is the S3 bucket, which is a bit lengthy topic. So I'll create a separate video for that. See you soon. Thank you.